Well, Julian Assange left London Stansted Airport on a chartered flight. He's now on the ground in Bangkok, where his plane is refuelling. He will then fly on to Saipan in the Mariana Islands, which is United States territory. And that's where we will find Thomas Manglona, the chief regional correspondent for KUAM News. Good to see you, Thomas. So when are you expecting Julian Assange to arrive, and what welcome is he going to expect?
Yes, Hafideh and Tiro from Saipan, U.S. territory in the Northern Mariana Islands. I'm outside of the Saipan International Airport where, like you said, we're just waiting to see when exactly WikiLeaks founder Julian Assange will land before his U.S. District Court federal hearing tomorrow, which is scheduled for 9 a.m. tomorrow Standard Time on Saipan at the U.S. District Court here. We're still waiting to see by all of our observations right now. We've been here all day looking. There doesn't seem to be anything out of the ordinary, a pretty normal day here. But of course, that will rapidly change once Julian Assange lands to enter the U.S. District Court to enter his plea that was just reported on.
And Thomas, did this take everyone by surprise?
Yes, it did. No one saw it coming. In particular, no one saw it coming here. And that was one of the many questions that people asked today is why Saipan? Why this U.S. territory in the Northern Mariana Islands? Well, according to court filings from the Department of Justice and United States Attorney, it's because Assange didn't want to travel to the continental U.S. to enter his guilty plea, and also because this is a close U.S. court to his to Australia. And so those are the seemingly simple reasons why it's being held here in the Northern Marianas. But yes, the community is taken by shock, and we got a chance to speak with a few of those community members throughout today at a local grocery store. Many of them learned of the news of Assange's arrival and court hearing here in Saipan from us informing them about it, and many of them say they just want to see the legal process take its course.
And talk us through exactly what we're expecting tomorrow. I mean, what's the timeline?
Yeah, so tomorrow morning at 9 a.m., again, that's tomorrow Standard Time here on Saipan. We're expecting him to enter through the front doors of that courthouse. Hopefully we'll be able to capture that for everyone watching. And he's going to enter, of course, because there's a plea deal that has to be accepted by the judge. So we're expected to, hear the discussion back and forth about what has been agreed on. And as it was indicated in that court filing, they're expecting Assange at the end of the court day to go back to Australia. So we'll see if that's what happens tomorrow.
OK, good to talk to you. Thomas Manglona joining us there live from Saipan International Airport. As you can see there, he's waiting for Julian Assange to arrive.